Introducing the ASTRO Gaming A50 Wireless Headset Plus Base Station Gen 4, the ultimate gaming audio experience. Immerse yourself in crystal clear sound with ASTRO Audio V2, delivering dialogue, music, and in-game audio with precision. Feel like you're in a movie theater with Dolby Audio, providing a cinematic, high-resolution gaming audio experience. Never worry about running out of power again with the 15-plus-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery, giving you uninterrupted gaming sessions. Take control of your audio with the Game Voice Balance feature, allowing you to adjust the mix of game and chat audio to your preference. But that's not all. Our free ASTRO Command Center software gives you complete control over your audio experience. Customize your voice communication and game audio settings with ease, available on Windows 10, Xbox One, and Mac. When using your PC, the USB sound card functionality provides game, voice balance, game and voice streaming without the need for optical cables. For those looking for even more customization, the optional A50 mod kit is here. Add synthetic leather headbands and ear cushions for improved noise isolation. Please note, the A50 mod kit is only compatible with A50 wireless headset Gen 4. Experience legendary performance and sound with ASTRO Audio V2, all while enjoying the freedom of a wireless headset. The A50 Wireless Plus base station is designed for PlayStation 4 PC gamers who demand top-of-the-line acoustics, ergonomics, comfort, and durability. Clear, low-latency voice communication is made possible by our all-new base station, which also simplifies headset pairing and charging. Achieve the perfect audio setup for your specific gaming environment with the ASTRO Command Center software. For added peace of mind, a manufacturer's warranty is available upon request from customer service. Upgrade your gaming experience with the ASTRO Gaming A50 Wireless Headset Plus Base Station Gen 4.